Let's create design like this using Adobe Illustrator. First, select Grid Tool from Line Tools options to make a grid of 4x4, then select Shape Builder tool and drag like this to make a shape from grids. Now fill the color specifically in selected grid by using Direct Selection tool. Then select the whole grid by group it by press Ctrl L-G, then resize and rotate it like this. Now make a copy of the grid by pressing and hold Alt key and drag the grid by mouse left click. Then select both grids. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus B. This makes the grid into blend mode for section now. With the blending options, you will select the specified steps and set the steps about 2000. Now make a circle by using Ellipse tool and copy the circle exactly below the first circle. Then select the specific area of the circles from Direct Selection tool by pressing A and delete. Then select the both shapes and select the midpoint of shape and joint it by using To Joint tool. Now select both shapes, blending grids and path shape, and go to Object menu and select the Blend option, and in their Blend option, select Replace Spine. You can reverse the tail of design by repeat the steps, and this time, select Reverse Spine option and blend up. Here's the Toffee design alphabet ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos.